Okay, traders, it is another weekend and it's another time for sharing market outlook. So this is all about the possible moves in gold for the coming week, and this will be from 30. It is 30 of January to 3rd of Feb. So now this is for 5 weekdays, the trading days. So always what I'm providing here is just an outlook, so you have to add your own analysis. It's not a trading advice, so you have to add your own analysis in order at least to get that clear filtration of what is most likely to happen in the market, and also to get those entries for the coming week. So basically I'm starting with the monthly time frame. And most important things in monthly time frame is just in the 3 months consecutively gold has been moving up. So now this is a clear picture of beginning of what we call the 5th wave now. So for those who do wave counts now in high degrees, this movement to the downside was completion of wave C of the 4th wave now. So the 4th wave was completed here, so this movement, the upside, is just the beginning of the 5th wave in high degree. And now another clear indicator of a strong bullish move is just now this bullish candle covered the previous bearish candle. Now this rejection here was covered by this bullish candle up, so this is also a very clear picture of buyers taking control of movement in gold. So now we can also have the idea of these 2 highs now, these previous 2 points now. So price, it was now on August of 2020, and then it was in March of 2022. Now price hit the highs. So basically this was on March. So what I'm looking forward is now on Feb of 2023, price may be within those highs now. On Feb of 2023, price is most likely to touch those highs, and then after, I'm looking for a powerful correction that is not going to move below this swing low. And now a sell that is going to take place after hitting this high and mostly around 2000 is not going to break the level of 1620 something there. So those are the overview in monthly time frame. So moving to weekly time frame, we can have some highlights in weekly time frame. So mainly in weekly time frame, what I see there is just now price has started, price started trending up. Now we see it was trending down, so it has already changed the trending, and always we had these points, now 3 points here where price was rejected. So a significant turning point now was this one. So here is where the 5th wave of wave C of wave 4 was marked. So if I turn on my wave counts and drawings, you will find that now this point was the 5th wave, the 5th wave of wave C of the 4th wave. So price started moving up now, and now this region here, now the current move to the upside is in the 5th wave, which is an extended 5th wave. So the first wave was up this point, the second, the third, the fourth. So this is extended 5th wave. This is extended 5th wave. So now from the price now is in completion of this extended 5th wave. So what is most likely to happen here is just this 5th wave may still keep on moving up, or it may have some movement to the downside then up. So in lower time frames, I can provide now a clear market outlook. So it is raining outside, so as usual, you know, now it is rain season, so most of the time you may find that now rain is coming. So I started well, then rain now has started, so I'm trying to voice up in order for those background noise not to interfere with what I'm saying. So now from there, in the weekly time frame, what we are going to look there is price may come down touching this resistance. We had this level that was resisting previously, so now with the support. So once it has been broken, price has not successfully retested it. So one of the important thing to watch is price may come to retest this, and at the same time when it is coming to retest this level, it is when it will be coming to touch this trend line. We have this trend line that may be very clear in lower time frames. So now moving to daily time frame, let me see something in daily time frame. So now what is going on in daily time frame? Mostly I can talk of two things in daily time frame. Now the first thing is I'm looking for price to touch this level down here. Then it may either bounce from this level, completing this movement to the upside, or sometimes it may break and continue to the downside. But the mostly likely direction is price is going to hit this trend line and then it bounces to the upside. So in daily time frame, the only things that we have to consider is price moving here or price moving up. Then it is when we will be making our trading decisions. When the price is now moving now above 1946, we may do our buy decisions. If it break above 1946 and the retest, we'll be buying to around 2000. Now if it will fail to break this level, we'll watch price moving down, then breaking this support and then retest, then we'll be looking for sells. Now in 4-hour time frame, it is where now we can have that clear market outlook. In 4-hour time frame, we may have that clear market outlook. So basically you see in the 4-hour time frame, what's going on here is now my first count always, as I said now in my previous analysis, now price moved down, then up again, then down. So now this was information of the 4th. So the 4th may be already completed around this area. So that is one of the probable directions. So if the 4th wave is completed as how I have labeled here, the A, B, C down. So if it is already completed here, so what we expect is now market will open moving up. Then we have to look for market breaking this high. So if it will break this high, retesting the high, it will now retesting the high, we have to proceed buying from these regions. Now we will be buying from this region to around those levels of 2000. So that is the first outlook that I have till now. Price will break this level, then buying to the upside. So I can mark this in white. Mark this in white. So that is the first market outlook, which is already labeled here. Don't confuse with other things. Now these drawings, they were from previous week, so we may just assume that now price already completed here, so it is moving up. Now the second outlook, now when the market opens, now the second outlook now, or an alternative count now, is when price will now market will open moving up, but it will fail to break. Now it will fail to break this high. After failing to break this high, we have to expect price to hit this level. Now price is going to hit this level now at this at this trend line. So after hitting this trend line, it is where we will look for either price breaking down and retesting, continuing to the downside. But the most probable direction is this. Now after price hitting this trend line, now it will continue to the upside. It will continue to the upside in completion of these fifth wave up now to those levels of 2000. So after hitting those levels of 2000 is when we'll be looking for a long-term sell. Now this will be sell at least that may take several months. It may now not actually though, maybe more than 3 months, but it may be, yes, it may be 3 months, but mostly 2 months is most possible. So now those are the outlooks in gold. So what you have to do is you have to add your own analysis in order to get those entries and other things. But mostly I suggest, and always I'll be sharing signals now from the second week of Feb, because at least the market will be already touched those key areas that I'm looking for. I expect until the second week of Feb, price will be already, if it will go straight from here, it will be already around those levels of 2000, so I'll be looking for sales. And if it will go down, so it may take some time hitting those levels of 2000. So that is all. So now, thank you for your time. Make sure that you like this video, you subscribe this channel if it is your first time and you have not yet subscribed, because I share even training ideas. So we call the trading knowledges. So so make sure that you sub, and also you put comments if you have any suggestion, you have any addition, so you can put there and we can discuss in detail on what I have shared here. So thank you for your time and have a great weekend.